Alright, so I'm working on the claw a little bit again here, and I just decided that I don't really want to have to deal with the cartilage part here that we originally made, so I went into the subtool for the cartilage and I just clicked the delete button, and now I kind of want to close these areas up so they just look like they're butting up next to each other. But the issue is that the mesh is so dense that trying to move it around with the move topological tool is just going to be I feel like it's going to be a little bit too difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come into the geometry panel and I'm just going to drop this subdivisions all the way down to 1 so that I'm only looking at a couple um, vertices here, so I'm not dealing with so much. And I'm just going to kiss these together. This way I don't have to deal with the pain of a billion vertices trying to move them all around. And if you want to get super specific, you can lower your draw size. So this is just something to keep in mind, that you want to keep those low subdivs. You don't really ever want to do the del lower until maybe at the very end when you're getting closer to um, doing some things like posing and exporting and all that kind of thing. But in the beginning, when you're working, you definitely want to keep all these so that you don't have issues. So let's take a look here. Let's just pull that back up and see what we did. So that way, now we can kind of work with that without having to deal with all these polygons. So if you see, if I try to move it when it's really high like this, it's just it's a lot harder to kind of get what you actually want. So that's just a quick video on just keeping your subdivision levels so that you can go back and work with the lower level geometry.